And the growth of the retail market in Kenya has been on a phenomenal run in the last few years, with over 400 retail stores opening doors across the country, with more still to come. But this growth won't be possible without a dedicated team of suppliers and manufacturers like Vivek Investment, who supply the leading retail chains in the region. KTN's Philip Keitanye reports on the retail sector.
Early last year, New York Stock Exchange Leases research firm Nielsen ranked Kenya Africa's second biggest formalized retail economy after South Africa. Data from the survey showed that 30% of Kenyans do their shopping in formalized retail outlets compared to 60% in South Africa. However, more than 90% of goods sold in these retail outlets are imported from Europe and China, with the argument that local manufacturers either don't have the capacity or their products fall below the required standards. Meet Chintan Taka, the managing director of Vivek Investment Limited, who has transformed a family business into a formidable manufacturing business.
We said that we have to do something different, and that's when we went back to the drawing board and came up with so many new products that were available in the local market, but we said, let's do it something different.
Taka has helped expand the company's portfolio from precious stones, and now his latest establishment is this manufacturing line with a wide range of over-the-counter pharmaceutical items and home care products, which are manufactured and marketed under the brand name Nakumatt Blue Label and Easy.
We are actually manufacturing soaps for various brands, and at the moment we are doing for the Blue Label. We are manufacturing the all-purpose washing up liquid.
Over the last 3 years, Vivek Investment has emerged among the top 10 fastest growing companies in Kenya and has been named among the top 100 mid-sized companies in a survey by KPMG.
Started as one single company. We now have a group of companies, which is 3 companies, and that's the reason why we are called the Vivek Group of Companies now.
Continuous internal improvement has given Vivek Investment an upper hand to attain growth. Philip Keitanye, KTN Business.